Welcome to Inside the Item channel. Let's explore oven mechanics. Ovens cook food using heat. Heating elements convert electricity into heat. Ovens have two main heating elements, the upper and lower heating coils. These coils heat up when electricity flows through them. The heat is then distributed by fans. The oven structure is designed for efficient heat distribution. Insulation helps retain heat, while the oven's shape allows for even cooking. This design enables consistent results. The heating elements and fans work together to cook food. The fans circulate hot air, ensuring even cooking. This process is crucial for achieving the desired results. Ovens also have a temperature control system. This system regulates the heat output, allowing for precise temperature control. This is essential for various cooking techniques. Understanding oven mechanics is crucial for effective cooking. By knowing how the heating elements, fans, and insulation work together, you can achieve better results. This knowledge is essential. Heat transfer begins with heating elements, generating warmth through electrical resistance. This process initiates cooking, distributing heat evenly. Convection and radiation principles are crucial for consistent results. As elements heat up, they emit infrared radiation, warming the surrounding air. This warm air rises, creating a convection current that circulates heat throughout the oven. Air circulation is vital for even cooking. Fans within the oven play a key role in air circulation, ensuring consistent heat distribution. By blowing hot air around the food, they accelerate the cooking process, reducing cooking time and promoting even browning. Convection currents created by the fans help to transfer heat to the food's surface, where it is absorbed and distributed internally. This process relies on the principles of conduction and radiation, working in tandem to cook the food evenly. The combination of radiation and convection enables efficient heat transfer, allowing for faster cooking times and better results. Understanding these principles is essential for achieving perfect cooking outcomes. By grasping the fundamentals of heat transfer and air circulation, we can unlock the full potential of our ovens, exploring new recipes and cooking techniques. This knowledge enables us to cook with precision and confidence. Moisture control is crucial for the perfect dish. It affects texture and browning. Temperature management is also key. The Maillard reaction occurs when amino acids and sugars interact. This chemical reaction is responsible for browning and flavor development. Precise temperature management facilitates the Maillard reaction. It requires a balance of heat and moisture to produce the perfect browning. Moisture levels must be carefully controlled to prevent overcooking or undercooking. This balance is essential for achieving the perfect texture. The combination of moisture control and precise temperature management results in a perfectly cooked dish. The aroma and flavor are enhanced by the Maillard reaction. With the perfect balance of heat, moisture, and chemistry, we achieve the perfect dish. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.